everybody, welcome back to my next video. I'm Veronica. Today I'm going to be making some spices. So how to make your own masala at home. I'm going to be using homemade pepper and chili powder, cumin powder, ginger powder. Oops, I made a mess. And then we got the onion curry powder hot. So I got and then let's get into it. I might do 2 of cumin ground. So I'll see what get there. Findle ground. So I'm going to do 2 again. I got ground so I'm going to do ground smoked paprika. I'm just trying to do 2 of the same, make it more. So I've got cumin. I'm just gonna my next one is I'm gonna do pepper. Okay. I'm gonna try to do 2. Like I said, I'm trying to do 2 of everything. Let's do this. Okay, garlic. Yeah, I need to get okay, we got onion, butter and seeds, but I don't really like these because I don't really like them in the potato. And just the much we okay, I've got chili powder. Okay, the pole got right in my nose. I'm going to do 2. Oh god. Oh jeez. Gonna stir it. Gonna use a spoon, a wooden spoon, and then I'm gonna give it a okay. All mixed together. Thank you for watching my video how to make spices, masala spice. If you guys like this video, subscribe, push the bell, get more notifications. See you guys in the next videos. If you guys want to know how to make it, I'll put everything on my description. If you guys want to see my mum in some of my videos, comment down the link down below. Peace, bye. Ronnie is out. Bye.